I'm really happy after school today. Ha! Me too. I have great news. Look at my math test score. Wow, let me see it. I got 98 points today. That's an amazing score, Alex. Gotcha. I got 96 in English. You did a great job, too. Mom and Dad will be proud. I think they'll be very happy. Let's show our tests tonight. I've waited all day for this. We finally made it home. This is gonna be fun. Mom, I have exciting news. You seem very happy today. Dad, please look at this.
That sounds exciting, Alex.
Let's hear your good news. I've been waiting all day. This is my math test.
Let's see how you did.
98 points. That's incredible work.
We're very proud of you.
I studied very hard for it.
Your effort really paid off.
I want to show mine too.
Of course, Luna. Come here.
I worked hard on this. I'm excited to see it. Oh, Grandma is calling me.
Maybe something important happened.
What happened? Are you all right? Is everything okay over there?
I'll wait until they're finished.
They'll look at it soon. We should visit Grandma tomorrow.
Yes, she needs our help.
Maybe my score isn't important. They forgot to see my test. I wanted to show them today. But nobody really saw it. Maybe they were just busy. I shouldn't feel this sad.
Alex, how is your robot project?
It's going really well, Dad. That sounds wonderful. My robot can move already.
That's very impressive, Alex.
Tell me more about it.
I still need some improvements. I have something to share.
Just 1 second, sweetheart. When is the competition day?
It's coming very soon. They seem very interested today. Maybe more than usual. I've been practicing every day. We're proud of your effort. They always talk with Alex. Maybe I'm just imagining.
We have exciting news today. A drawing contest is coming.
I really love drawing pictures. I want to join.
That's wonderful, Luna.
I'll do my best. I can't wait to tell Mom. She'll be happy for me. This is exciting news, too.
Oh.
I'll tell everyone tonight. Look at my new design.
This looks much better.
You're making great progress. I'm working very hard. I have something important, too.
1 minute, sweetheart.
This part controls movement. That's really clever, Alex. No one asked about mine. I feel a little sad. I wanted to tell them. But nobody listened today. I'll practice by myself. I can do this alone.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mom. My robot is almost ready.
That's great to hear.
And the robot went like this. I have some news too.
Let's hear Alex first.
Yeah, and then it got stuck. Okay, maybe later then. I can wait again. Your drawing looks beautiful. Thank you very much. You have real talent.
I love drawing every day. The competitions are coming soon.
We should help both kids.
Luna needs better art supplies.
Let's buy them this weekend.
Alex needs a robot kit.
And Luna needs new colors. This will help Alex practice.
No.
He'll love this gift. These colors are excellent. Perfect for her contest.
They're taking a long time. I wonder what happened. They brought something home. Those look like presents.
This is for you, Alex.
Really? Thank you, Dad. Wow, this is amazing!
We knew you'd like it.
That's a really big gift. It looks very expensive.
This one is for you.
Oh, thank you, Mom. My gift is much smaller. Maybe they love Alex more. Alex got a bigger gift. I don't understand why. Maybe they love Alex more. Maybe I'm not special. I tried my very best. Why don't they notice?
Was that Luna crying? Something seems very wrong. Sweetheart, what's the matter?
I'm fine, Mom.
You don't look fine. Please talk to us.
You always notice Alex first. I'm always waiting. You forgot my test score. And my drawing contest. His gift was much bigger. I felt really hurt. Oh, Luna, that's not true.
We love you equally. Alex joined a robot contest. That robot helps him practice.
You joined a drawing contest. So we bought these colors. We chose them very carefully. They're perfect for you.
Look what I've kept. Oh,
What is all this? I saved every drawing. Every single one.
you kept all these?
Because they're very precious.
I made something for you. For me?
I made it myself. You're my favorite sister.
I'm sorry for misunderstanding.
We love you, Luna.
We'll always support you.
I know that now.